Welcome to this updated 2025 guide on how to create an Equity Bank account online. If you're looking for a fast, convenient, and secure way to open an account without visiting a branch, this tutorial will walk you through every step. From the requirements to the online registration process, I'll show you exactly how to set up your Equity Bank account in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First is open your Google and search for the Equity Bank Create Account and click the first link. In here, scroll down and click the Current Account. Scroll down again and in here fill up the information needed such as name, phone number, referral code, and that's it. You now know how to create your Equity Bank account online in 2025, quickly, safely, and without the hassle of long queues. With your new digital account ready, you can start banking, saving, and managing your money anytime, anywhere. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it or check out more of my simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.